Giant Dinosaurs by Erna Rowe. Giant dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were giants that lived long ago. There were all sorts of giant dinosaurs. Trachodon. Trachodon was as big as a house. They're comparing this dinosaur to a house. His bill looked like a duck's, so he is also called duckbill. He was a plant eater. Trachodon had 2,000 teeth. I cannot find the one that hurts. He's at the dentist, and the dentist has to check all 2,000 teeth to figure out which tooth hurts. That's pretty silly. Brontosaurus. His name means thunder lizard. When he walked, it sounded like thunder. He lived on plants too. Brontosaurus was as big as 2 schoolrooms. Look, he broke through the wall in the middle because he needs 2 classrooms. That's how big he is. Brachiosaurus lived in water. He weighed more than any other dinosaur. He was as heavy as 10 elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elephants. Just for one dinosaur. Wow. This is a scale. This doesn't look like your normal scale where you just step on with 2 feet, but this is a different kind of scale. A lot of scientists use this scale. Diplodocus was as long as 5 or 6 cars. He was the longest dinosaur ever to live on Earth. Tyrannosaurus Rex could run very fast. He was as tall as a telephone pole. He was the king of the dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus was a meat eater. He attacked plant eaters. He was very fierce. His teeth were long and sharp. Stegosaurus was a plant eater. The plates on his back and the spikes on his tail helped protect him from meat eaters. Stegosaurus would fit in a living room. He was smaller than other giant dinosaurs. Triceratops lived on plants too. He had 2 sharp horns on his head and another on his nose. 1, 2, 3. Triceratops. Tri means 3. So 3 horns. Would a meat eater attack Triceratops? Baby dinosaurs came from eggs. Some of these eggs have been found after millions of years. They have turned to stone. Dinosaurs made huge footprints in the mud. Some are as long as your arm. After a long time, the mud became hard and turned to stone. Today, you can see dinosaur footprints in a museum. Look at this boy comparing himself to this footprint. Look how big this footprint is. Wow! No one ever saw a living dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Look at the map. It shows some of the places where dinosaur bones have been found. Can you find a place in your country where dinosaurs lived? Well, here's the map. It shows most of the continents. It doesn't show Antarctica. We have North America. That's where we live. We live on the continent of North America. Our country is like right here, the United States of America, and our state is over here, California. So we have dinosaurs all on our continent of North America, but the question says, can you find a place in your country where dinosaurs lived? Well, it looks to me that in the United States, there were places all over. Like this over here, this is the tail of Florida. There were dinosaurs. It looked like there were some up in Oregon, a little bit, maybe California. This could be Arizona. So if we were looking at a map, there's a lot of dinosaur fossils. Here are our other continents. Let's remind ourselves. Australia, Asia, Africa, South America, North America, and then Antarctica would be at the bottom, but there's no Antarctica on this map. It's probably too cold for the dinosaurs. And here's Europe. If you want to learn more about dinosaurs, you can go to a museum. Here is a skeleton of a brontosaurus in a museum. It will make you feel very small. Look at those two people compared to the dinosaur. They're tiny. Some dinosaurs were small, but all of the dinosaurs in this book were giants. This chart shows the size of all of the dinosaurs in this book. So they were saying that a stegosaurus could fit in your living room. Well, it's much smaller, but it's still a dinosaur. Look at these other dinosaurs. They're humongous. And then here's our very last picture. Giant dinosaurs.